Understanding the phrase, cut the grass, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, cut the grass. This is a common expression in English, often used in everyday conversation. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and some interesting nuances that come with it. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, this video will help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. Cut the grass refers to the physical action of trimming or mowing the grass in gardens, parks, or yards. This is usually done with a lawn mower or a similar tool. The purpose is to keep the grass short and neat. It's a common household chore, especially in countries where people have gardens or lawns at their homes. In this section, we'll show you some visuals of people cutting the grass and the tools commonly used for this task. Sometimes, cut the grass is used in a figurative sense. For example, in English, someone might say, "Don't let others cut your grass," meaning don't let others take your opportunities or advantages. This section will explore such idiomatic expressions and how they differ from the literal meaning. In different English-speaking regions, there might be slight variations in how this phrase is used. For instance, in some places, people might say, "mow the lawn," instead of "cut the grass." We'll discuss these regional differences and the cultural context behind lawn maintenance in English-speaking countries. Here, we'll provide practical examples and scenarios where you might hear or use, "cut the grass." This includes dialogues, common phrases, and tips on using the phrase appropriately in different contexts, such as in casual conversation, in instructions, or when discussing chores. We hope this video has been informative and has enhanced your understanding of the phrase, cut the grass. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details and nuances that make it special. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "cut the grass" in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.